Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I welcome you all to the English class. So, today we are going to learn how to write small cursive letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. So, before we start, I should tell you that most of these letters are based on the curved lines which I had told you to practice. Now let us begin. So first we will recognize the letters. Alright, so we will start with capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small a, F. Now we'll start with writing of the letter small cursive A. So students, small cursive A is based on the pattern this which I had told you to practice earlier. Now we will make small cursive A like this. Now let us see it again. Yes, we'll make the pattern first and then we will join it and form a small tail like this. Let us see it again. Alright, now we will proceed to small cursive B. So students, small cursive B is based on the pattern this. You have already practiced this pattern earlier in your classwork copies. So now we'll make the pattern first, extend it and then form a tail. First the curved line pattern and then a tail. So small cursive B we write on 3 lines, red and then 2 blue lines. Now the next is small cursive C. So students, small cursive C is again based on the pattern which was used for small cursive A and you have practiced it earlier also. Now small cursive C is very easy. You just have to make the pattern once. It is based on curved line pattern with a tail. Now the next is small cursive D. Now again students, small cursive D is based on the pattern which was used for small cursive A and C. So first we will draw the pattern and then we will extend it towards the upper red line and then we'll draw a tail. Let us see it. Extend and then draw a tail like this. Once again, first we'll draw the pattern, extend it and then a tail like this. Now the next is small e. So again small cursive E is based on the pattern this. So it is just like small cursive C. We will make the pattern once and the E is done like this. So small cursive E is very easy. It's just that you have to make the pattern once. Now the next is small cursive F. So students, small cursive F is a little difficult, though it is based on a easy pattern, but you need to practice small cursive F before you do it in your classwork copies. So first we will draw this pattern upwards, then downwards, touching the fourth line, the red line, and then a small tail like this. So let us see it again. First pattern number 1 upward, then pattern number 2 downwards, and then a tail. First pattern will touch the upper red line, second will touch the bottom line, and then a tail. Alright students, this is all for the day. Thank you so much.